Hello guys, welcome to Tutorial Days, and in this video you are learning TypeScript. Guys, in this video series I have already covered 5 chapters and now we are going to cover chapter number 6. So in this chapter we will see further. So let's see chapter number 6, and I will explain all these things in detail. If you have missed the previous chapter, then you can check the playlist, and going there you can cover the previous chapter as well. In this chapter we will see mastering decision making control structures in TypeScript. Okay, actually if else and switch case, these are basic construct of any programming language. So whatever programming language you learn, and if you know already C++ or any other programming language, you won't have difficulty in understanding these. So this one is also inside TypeScript. If statement, what happened here? If then condition, if it's true then it will show or not. For example, let's see this one. I will show you with this code only. What I'll do, let's create another file here called if else.ts. Now here guys, you can see what happens here. Temperature number 35. Okay, what we have done, temperature number 35, just we have a random number we have put here. We are checking here line number 2. You see, if temperature greater than 30, now it's true, the temperature is greater than 35. Now in console.log it will show it's a hot day. That means what? If condition is true, so how we are comparing it with greater sign, that if temperature greater, so 35 is greater than 30, now it will show the correct message. Let's run the code and see the magic. Okay, so let's go here and then this time tsc then if else dot ts. Okay, if else dot ts. Now it's compiled. Node if else dot js. Now you can see it's hot day. What happens actually when you just compiled it, another file was generated. Okay, so where we had put it, front end frameworks, Angular, TypeScript, and you can see here if else. Now if else is generated a new file. So guys, this way you can use if else. If so, this was just simply if. Now else condition, if this is not true, then another one will be true. For example, let's see this example. Now what I'll do, just change it. There are two numbers, let A number 10, B 30. 10 and 30, two numbers we have written here. Now if A is greater than B, if A is greater than B, in that case what will happen? So what happens here actually, it is checking here, if the value of A is greater than B, then it will show this block, and now if the value of A is less than B, then it will show this block. So in this case the value of A is not greater than, right, because A is 10 and B is 30, so the first condition is false. Now if you run this program, then what will happen? Let's compile it again. Now run it. Oh, node, not first, if else dot js. Now it is saying B is greater than A, which is correct because B is 30 and of course it is greater than A. So that's it, it's very easy. And now real life use case. So this is also same kind of example. And else if first we just check if condition, then else condition. Now we will see else if, which is third. For example, there are more than one, first, second, third level. So in that case you can use else if. For example, here you can see, this is the example how we can use else if. Basically what happens here, the marks is 85. Now it check line number 3. You see, we are saying that if marks is greater than equal to 90, then it will show grade A. If the marks is greater than else if first condition fails, then it will come to the second condition, and it will check if the marks is greater than equal to 75, then the grade will be A. First one was A plus, this will